Hello fellow mathematicians. In this video we are going to do something really interesting. We are going to calculate the cost of the trigger which is responsible for almost every major physics discovery in our history. The godly apple that fell on the Newton's head. Now, there is no physical evidence that the apple struck his head or just dropped in front of him. And also, there are theories which say that the apple was dropped by a Shinigami to make his life more interesting. But this simply doesn't matter. The falling apple triggered the thoughts of gravitation and the laws of motion in his head. And somehow, if that apple is brought in this century with a proof, then what would it cost? So let's get started. Now let's first ask, what would that apple cost without a proof? So what is the cost of a normal apple? With some millions of dollars invested in a research, I found out that a normal apple costs approximately $0.1. Now we are getting somewhere, just like the waiter who got a letter instead of the tip from Einstein. And in future that letter was sold for $1.56 million, comparing it with the Nobel Prize which is just $1.1 million. Hence, the moral is things related to great scientists costs great too. And that apple was also strongly related to Newton. Hence, adding this $1.56 million in our original amount, we get $156,000,000.1, which is approximately equal to $1.56 million. Yeah, I know, intense math. Now, another thing to notice in here is that the letter was not related to physics. It was about living the life happily. So we have just added the cost of something related to a great scientist. And a great news is that we have something very closely related to that apple, which was sold for $3.7 million. That is the Newton's Principia. And the Principia is the product of the thoughts triggered by the apple. Adding this to our $1.56 million, we get $5.26 million. So this should be it. We are at a decent amount. So the apple should cost $5.26 million. But this $5.26 million amount is just a matter of perspective. If someone thinks that this apple was responsible for all the major physics discoveries, then this is a $5.26 million apple. And if someone thinks that the one was Newton himself, then this is just a $0.1 apple. And this is the key. This is how things are sold. They are sold at auctions. And the millionaire who will buy this will be interested in this apple. So if we think from his perspective, then this apple costs way more than the Principia, because this apple led to that Principia. What we know is the starting amount of that auction, that is $5.26 million. But after looking at different type of auctions which like millionaire attend, on an average the starting amount doubles. So adding another $5.26 million to our original amount, we get $10.52 million. Now this is a little more, so I will average that. That is $5.26 million plus $10.52 million divided by 2. That is $7.89 million. So this is it. This is what you need to become a millionaire. You just need to find a way to go back into the past, get that apple with a proof to become a multi-millionaire. And I wish you all the best for that, and I demand $1 million from the amount you get because I gave you this information. So thanks for watching this video, and always remember that math is everything.